Hi class, let's walk through the English 101 course overview. Please notice my email address is alaki2@uis.edu. My full-time job is designing e-learning environments, so I am confident you will have a good experience online in this course. I will strive to make our e-learning environment engaging, meaningful, and personal. Starting on August 31st, I will schedule once weekly Zoom meetings on Mondays during our regularly scheduled class time. Attendance will count towards your grade. Our Canvas course is designed in weekly modules, so all you need to do is click on the correct week to find your assignments, activities, and resources. I will have at least one private meeting with each of you, either via Zoom or in person in the classroom. Of course, I will let you know once that's decided. You have 4 major assignments in this class. You have a narrative essay, a media analysis essay, an argumentative essay, and a final project. The final project is a creative video essay or online presentation along with a shorter reflective essay. All major assignments will follow a single theme, and we'll talk about the theme in just a second. Of course, you'll have daily work like reading assignments, online quizzes, pre-writing assignments, and online discussions. Our typical schedule each week will be on Mondays, we'll meet virtually as a class from 4 to 5:15. On Wednesdays, you'll begin your online discussion in Canvas. And on Sundays, your discussion replies will be due in Canvas. Please note that you should check Canvas for specific due dates of daily assignments and projects. But typically, your assignments will be due on Mondays and Wednesdays by 4 p.m. and then discussion replies by Sunday. The essays in the final project is worth 60% of your grade, and the daily assignments are worth 40% of your grade. So, about your semester theme, the 4 major assignments will all follow a single theme that you choose. Choose a theme that you already have some knowledge about, you've experienced, or are passionate about. These are just some sample themes, but of course you can propose your own theme. That's totally fine. So some sample themes are Black Lives Matter movement, Me Too movement, hardships of the COVID-19 pandemic, the environment or climate change, social media, mental health, immigration, financial hardships of college students, the importance of fine arts like music, art, and theater, or the 2020 presidential election. So again, whatever theme you choose, you'll carry that theme through all 4 of your major assignments. Your first essay is a narrative essay. It's worth 10 points, or 10% of your final grade. You will write a narrative essay that includes a central thesis statement. Using your semester theme, write about an event that you personally experienced. A more detailed essay prompt will be provided in Canvas. So the minimum length is 750 words, which is about 1.5 type pages. The rough draft will be due Monday, September 14th, and the final draft will be due Wednesday, September 16th. The second essay is a media analysis, and it's worth 12 points, or 12% of your final grade. You will analyze and respond to a piece of media that relates to your theme. Media refers to memes, images, music, movies or TV shows, clothing, physical objects, etc. A more detailed essay prompt will be provided in Canvas. So this essay will be 3 typed pages, or about 1,500 words. Your rough draft is due Monday, October 2nd, and we'll do October 12th, and we'll do peer review, and the final draft is due Monday, October 19th. The third essay is an argumentative essay worth 18 points, or 18% of your final grade. You will write a formal argumentative essay on an issue related to your theme. You are required to include at least one outside source, and your thesis statement will clearly indicate your position on the issue. Of course, a more detailed essay prompt will be provided in Canvas. This is going to be your longest essay. It's 2,000 words or 4 typed pages. It's due Monday. The rough draft is due Monday, November 16th, and we'll do peer review. And the final draft is due Wednesday, November 18th. The final project is worth 20 points total, or 20% of your final grade. You will transform the work and writing you have done this semester into a video, essay, or online presentation. Your final project will include at least 3 new outside sources. You also will submit a 750-word reflective essay. So you'll receive 10 points for the project itself and 10 points for the essay. The final project will be due during our class's scheduled final exam day and time during the week of December 7th. So you won't have a traditional final exam. So to kind of get you thinking about how you might work your theme throughout the 4 assignments, I've used a sample semester theme of e-learning or the challenges with e-learning. So for example, the first essay I could write about my experience working with a student who lived in a rural area and they had to rely on their local library for internet access. The second essay, which is a media analysis, I could analyze the Forrest Gump meme. For the third essay, I would argue that traditional instructors must adapt to new ways of teaching online. And my final project would be a video essay on the best practices for teaching online. Next, I'd like you to look at the class syllabus and start jotting down questions you might have, because during our Zoom meeting on August 31st, I would be happy to answer any of those questions that you might have. See you on Monday.